Happy Fire Alarm Friday and welcome to System Test 18. So it is finally time to kick off the System Test series once again, now that I have finished the complete rewiring and reorganization of the entire alarm system. Yes, so I went through and I got these cord mates from Lowe's and Home Depot. They're just basic adhesive plastic cord raceways that I have. And I've also gone through and completely rewired the system in thermostat wire. So where I was on the Cat 5 before, those conductors were so small that it was difficult to work with. Now I have 18.5 thermostat wire, so that's 5 18-gauge leads in each one of those. So there are two main harnesses that run the system, plus the harness for the annunciator, giving me a total of 15 leads coming from the panel, one of which I'm not even using right now, so that could be used for a future expansion project. And today I am joined by the Magnum Opus crew, if my camera wants to focus here, maybe.
Oh, that's a beautiful XA40.
So I've got Katie from Giraffes and Blinky Things, Zach from Fire Alarm Tech, and Robert from Aslan Fire Safety. And they're all joining me here, and as you can see, the XA40 is making its first system test appearance to see how it works. It did pretty well in the Abusive Knacks video, so I'm confident it should do okay here. Alright, so getting started here, for the pull station we have an ADT 5060. This is one of the ESL pulls rebranded by ADT. This one has kind of the more retro font rather than the serif font. So the 5050 has the serif, this one's got more of the crazy font per se. I did get this brand new in box, and it's an okay pull station. It does the job. Up here, you'll see what we have this test key for. What's up?
What kind of nerd knows so much about fonts?
Oh, you know, only the editing director of Magnum Opus.
Oh.
Anyway, moving on up, we've got a system sensor duct detector key switch, which I will show you what that's for here as well. Up here, I have what looks to be, and I assume to be, the cousin to the Federal Signal 450E series of horns. This is a model FSS 660. That's got a very similar sound, but uses a different grill design, so hopefully this will sound pretty cool. It's very loud, definitely one of the louder ones in my collection. And for the strobes, I chose the EST Genesis LED remote strobe. The model number escapes me at this time, and I'm not about to pull it off the wall to find out, but it's here set to 75 candela, and it will be blinking as well. Then up at the top, we do have the moderator alarm, as usual, which we will be using today. Since I do have the moderators with me as well, I figure I may as well call them out, too.
Oh, yeah, see? Hi, what's poppin'?
What's poppin'? So, the system is set on March time. It's probably going to be very loud for these guys, so if it gets loud, then go ahead and deafen, and I'll let you know when it's muted. Alright, so let's go ahead and give this a pull. And I do have it set to where we do need the key lock for the annunciator now, so that's running now. And then we come back on over here, and you can see we've got our strobe blinking away. So let's go ahead and get our Cat 30 Simplex B key to reset the station. The lock on this one's kind of crunchy. It's not very good, but pretty basic pull station. You can kind of see on the phone's footage, you can kind of see where the strobe is flashing along with me. Let's actually go ahead and turn off the big studio lights here and show you what it looks like here at night. Come on over here to my desk. There we go. Now you can kind of get a representation of just how focused of a lens this strobe really has. You can kind of see it's got a really definite cast that it has up along like the back wall. You can see the shadow of the key light there on the curtains, and you can definitely see where there's like a cutoff horizon there too. So it's a cool strobe, definitely different than the moderator alarm, just with how fast the flash goes by too. So let's go ahead and get the lights back on. She can't hear you from this far away.
Damn it.
Alright, let's go ahead and grab our notifier key and reset the panel. Alright, so that is good to go. So I guess we'll head on over to the panel and we'll put it... Yeah, I know, I got it from a really cool guy named Fire Alarm Tech.
I heard that guy's a nerd.
Yeah, I hear he's a nerd too. I hear he's got some big things coming up too.
He does.
He's got a lot of big things coming up that people should be staying tuned for.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we're going to jump on over to the panel here. We'll put it in code 3, and then to finish the test, I'll go ahead and show you what this key switch is for too. So let's head on over to the panel and get this in code 3. Alright, so you can see my rewire job in the panel. We've got the thermostat wire, all the terminals are in place. Let's go ahead and enter programming mode. No passcode. Let's see. March time will now become temporal. Alright. And then I suppose for this one, you guys can tell me, should I key activate the pull station or should I do the drill switch?
I was just gonna say you should key activate it.
Okay.
Definitely.
Alright, then that wins. Let's go ahead and key activate the 5060.
Like an Edwards adapter horn.
It honestly kind of does in person too, just with the FWR. When it's unfiltered, it doesn't sound nearly as bad.
You should get an adapter. I should get an adapter horn.
You should. You should also get a Holzer Cabot 164 pull station.
Yeah, it's you know what? I just might go and get one.
You might go talk to Destin and see about getting one of those.
Yeah, he's been talking about selling me one, you know.
Yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and reset the system, and then I'll finally show you what the key switch is for here. So, quick little reset. Alright, so the way that I have this key switch wired, I only have the test side of it running, and the green LED is the only one that'll run, so I don't have anything hooked up to the red LED or to the momentary reset switch. But we go ahead and put in our system sensor key, turn it to the right. It activates the moderator alarm, which is also set to 110 candela. And because my notifier key is on that ring, I have to get the other one from my car keys. There we go. Yeah, I think somebody pinged at moderator, you know?
Yeah, my phone was going off, so I had to check.
Yeah. But you can also see here that we've got the green LED illuminated here on the key switch, and because I do have it set as a auto-resettable supervisory, as soon as I turn the key back, the system will return back to normal here. But special shout out to Zach, Fire Alarm Tech, for the moderator alarms from a couple years ago. It actually popped up on my Facebook memories that I had posted a picture about it when I got it.
I still have mine. But I don't like them.
Alright, go ahead and turn that. And the system goes back to normal, resettable power's fine, and the relay shuts off. So anyway, that's all I have for System Test 18. Thank you guys again for your patience as I've been having breaks in between Fire Alarm Fridays. That's mainly because I've been doing this giant system rewire, and now that I have finished my school for the semester, I'll have a lot more time to devote to video production and hopefully maintaining a consistent schedule with Fire Alarm Friday. So, is there anything else you guys want to say?
Stay tuned, big things are in the pipeline.
That is true. The whiteboard predicts everything, and you should stay tuned for what the whiteboard is predicting. Oh, also, stay tuned tomorrow, which will be Saturday as of the posting of this video. I've got another video coming up on my channel about how you can be a part of the Magnum Opus project in a really big way. So there'll be stuff on my channel, Robert's channel, and I believe Zach's doing something as well. I think Katie might be doing something too, but it's definitely something that you should be looking out for. Also, if you are on Instagram, you can also find it under the hashtag Magnum Opus. We're posting a lot of little updates. Also, if you want some more information, be sure to jump on over into the Fire Alarm Technicians and Collectors Discord server. Links down below, and you can contact us directly if you have more questions about what you see on Saturday. So, I should probably let the viewers go here. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.